Welcome to Kaziranga National Park, a World Heritage Site where nature meets the future. High above the heart of Assam lies a land untouched by time, yet touched by vision. Every movement designed to preserve, not disturb. Here, the iconic one-horned rhinoceros walks freely, side by side with humans, and machines built not to dominate, but to protect. Gentle drones soar overhead. Eco-robots scan the earth below. Visitors now arrive, not as observers, but as mindful guests, guided by both ranger and AI. As the sun sets on the golden plains, we're reminded the future is not far away. It's right here, where nature and technology walk together, gently,